Welcome back. We have our widgets RS data here. We have our balance sheet data and our income statement data. We've also added common size financial data beside each column. So what that common size financial data tries to do is to take away fluctuations and compare it to a certain standard. So in this case, with the by balance sheet, it's comparing it to the assets as a percentage of assets, and then in the income statements as a percentage of sales. So that you can see how the movement of the different line items over time compares to each other. So over here, when it comes to the balance sheet, so the biggest things that stand out are not necessarily the equity. The liabilities are going up and down a little bit, but the biggest changes are an accounts receivable, where it's jumped from 5% to 24% over a couple of years, and by inventory, it's grown from 1% to 33%. So that shows, hey, there's more difficulty collecting. And by the inventory, we're having to create more inventory in order to deliver the sales, but it's far outpacing the amount of cash and other assets that we have. So is there an issue with how we're managing the inventory? Is there ways that we can improve how we collect the AR? Then when it comes to this income statement, so on the surface, you'd say, wow, sales are growing, 10,000, 30,000, 65,000. Such tremendous growth in a couple of years. But we also see something through the common size financial data that our costs seem to be growing even quicker than what our sales are. So our cost of goods sold were at 20% of sales for the first couple of years, and now it's at 49%. So our gross margin has gone down to 51%, meaning we're only earning 51 cents on each dollar instead of 80 cents. And that's had an impact on our bottom line, which has gone down from 50% down to 46% now in 2024. So the way that we're producing our products to be able to sell, there's inefficiencies there. It could be also a pricing issue with the vendors. Are we making sure that we're passing on any price increases on to our customers?